Me to say action.
Action.
So let's see what we got. Here's the action.
Speak up.
Hard, kind of hard. Dude, now I got it. Wonder who I'm going to get. Can't even know yet. Woo! Now I got. Who is this? Woo! It's Pinkie Pie. Whoa! Woo! This guy looks super squishy. Woo! Get you the toaster. Toasty. Girl. Whoa! I think no one else expects this. It's Boingy. I wonder if I can try to... this is super good. I wonder if... This is super... Woo! Like, sketch. Let's see what else I got. I got my scissors. Ooh, who is this? Littlest Pet Shop. Let's get it open. I got my scissors here so I won't get distracted. So, get this. There you go. There we go. I made a little tear strip. So we got. Ooh, what's this? Let's see who we got. Here's a card. Let's get this out. Wait.
Think there's more in there?
I think I don't got it all. Yep, there it is. Woo! I got a blue guy. This guy looks super cute. Let's put him in here. I think it goes like this. I think it's a little helmet there. I think it goes this way. I don't. Mommy, can you help me? So I'm going to get something out.
Wait till we're done with this guy.
I think, cool. Here you go.
I think we got that puppy. This puppy right there.
I think I'll just put it next to a little hat. I don't know how it goes. I think it goes just like this. So let's get something out. Ooh, that's my little pony blind bag. Here we go, little blind bag. You're super cute. Oh yeah? Time to get opening up the presents. Woo! Kinda does. See what we got. It's this. I hope it's the one we got because I kind of got a lot of these before. It's flower wishes. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see the pony.
I wonder what she looks like. Is this her? She kind of looks like Pinkie Pie. Look at it.
Yeah, kind of.
Ooh, they knock each other over. You both got like curly hair. What?
Give me garbage.
So let's get the next thing out. Yeah, I think so. What is this? Mommy, what are those boxes for?
I don't know.
Who put those in there? You put them in there for my surprise video?
Maybe.
I think they are. I think you did. I'll just take them out and open them up too. Who did we get? Who did we get? I got the pony! I was right! She looks super good. Oh, she's super tiny. Looks super cute. See if I can... Who is this? It's inside day I do want, I hope I get. I'll show you which ones I want.
Which one do you want?
I want to get that one,
Which one's
that one,
What are they called?
and Inside Out.
Is it joy or sadness?
I want this one, this one, this one, and that one. Okay?
There's only one.
One more with these. Oops. This doggy is not standing up. It's time to open up these. It's dust. I hope I get what I want. Boo. There we go. Hope I get one they want. I think I just had to use my scissors. I just used my scissors, okay, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't think this is working. I don't think I can do this. Can you help me? I hope it's one. Ooh, yuck. Kind of like poop. I know. I think it's sandwich. I already saw it. It is. Let's get this out. I can't get it out. Ooh, it's sandwich. Can't get it out. What's sandwich? Ooh, I can't get it open. Ooh, now I can do. This is not the one I wanted.
Have to try again later. Let me see it. Show it to the camera. Ooh, she looks sad.
Now let's get the other one. Open it. Ooh. I didn't get what I wanted. Oops. But never mind, I got. I guess I get whatever I get.
Mm-hmm.
So wait, I can't make it. Oops, I think I'll just weigh all these down, okay?
Okay.
Crying and bitter crying. Party in the elevator, party in the elevator. I hope I get Bill or Minnie Mouse.
Bill or Minnie Mouse?
Get anyone I want. I hope I get one. I want. Please be one, please. It's Bill! I wanted this one! Ooh, yeah, I got one. I got one. Ooh, she does. Ooh.
It's like a keychain.
Yeah, it is.
Turn it around so we can see it.
I'll hold her up. Okay.
Ooh, she's pretty. So let's see all the toys you got.
We got oops, dropped her again. We got. I'll just count them, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this little tiny pony.
All right, are you all done?
Let's see if there's anything else. Let's see. Nope. I got it right. Whoa, look at this stuff. Now, this is super cool. Oh. Huh. Didn't know that one. Got one way I wanted. Just tear it up.
So we're all done. Do you want to say anything?
Nah, I don't want to.
You want to say?
I want to say something.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. click here if you want to see anyone else. So if you want to do another one, I will do it whenever I want. So if you want to watch this again, you can. But I know one day that you will have to ask. And if you want to do it, click here. And here comes another one. And if you want to watch it, come riding with us. And with Holly Cut, what else? You'll get to watch any of them. Right here. But if you don't, I don't think you will. So if you want to make another one, you can. But it's time to go. Bye.
Bye.